Guys, sometimes in the cleaning business, this happens. Ugh. So I paid to have this toilet cleaned, and the customer has asked me to come back and redo the toilet. Let's talk about how to make that happen. All right, so I'm back in the handy duty mirror here. I want you to take two things to attack this first. First, we're going to take Lysol Lime and Rust Cleaner. I am a big fan of Lysol Lime and Rust Cleaner. A lot of you guys will use different things for toilets, that's fine. But if you have rust, you need the lime and rust remover. And if that doesn't work, we're going to go to the old Pumi stick. So let's give this a shot. All right, this is the ugly toilet. I'm going to spray it. See how that does. Okay, we're flashing back to the toilet, and we're just going to see what it looks like. So we still see it up there. I'm now going to get a toilet brush, and let's see if we can get up in there. Riveting TV right here. You can see it is coming off, whatever that stuff was. So let me do this for a little bit. Okay, I'm still at the first toilet, and gosh, it is looking a lot better than it did. We just got this little nasty stuff all over. It's even in my brush. So that really stinks, but it looks like this is going to come clean, so I'm just going to play with it a little bit more, work on it, and we'll show you the after. Okay, it's time to do the after video of the first toilet, the one with all the nasty stuff inside of it. I used Lysol Lime and Rust. But I did bring this one in too. I hope I didn't accidentally put some of that in it when I was doing it, because I did work on it for a while. But let's see how it looks. It is not perfect, but that is much better. Much, much better. I think they'll be happier with that. All right.
Okay.
Just use the right chemical. All right, so there it goes. Let's touch it up a little bit. All right, now watch what I do here. All right, got a cloth. Magic. Okay, that didn't work. Was that magic? El Crapino. All right, let's do that again. All right, shoot. That's ruining my great video. It looks a lot better, but I may have to use the blasted Puma stone for that spot. Okay, I didn't want to get out the old Puma stone because of an extra work. And the great TV here, you see that my thing didn't work completely, so I'm going to scratch it off. And that will do it. Alright, this was not one of my smoothest videos, but I think you get the point. Use the lime and rust remover. Use the lime and rust remover version of Lysol for your rusty toilets. It is time for me to stop talking now. Have a good day. One more thing, guys. If you want videos and see that I can make better videos than this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, guys. Hey, happy cleaning out there, and we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean?